Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the Success Forex Trading channel. So today, just a recap of what we did the last time. I'm going to be discussing about what we did in our last two previous video. Remember, we're talking about the trend. When the market is in the uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. So we're going to be taking some few examples and a recap of what we discussed the last time. These were uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. So remember what we discussed in our previous video. We said that if the market is coming to this level, whatever it's doing is still a noise. So this level is not yet broken unless it's broken before we're in a downtrend. So we get the move to the upside. And then we don't just want to be buying because here is our new resistance. No, we need our confirmation. We want to see our hammer, our doji, our spin top, our bullish engulfing. Remember, we want to see any one of these candlesticks before we can be buying. So the same example for the downtrend. And the market in the downtrend is making lower highs and lower lows. So that whatever move this market is making here into this zone, we know that we are still in a downtrend. Why? Because our level have not yet broken. Whatever move we get to the downside, here is still our new resistance, and then here is still our new support. So this is what we discussed the last time, and also we talked about before want to be buying or want to be selling. So let's take an example. When the market comes into our resistance zone here, we don't just want to be selling because here's our resistance, here's our support. No, we need our confirmation for the downtrend. We want to see our shooting star. We want to see our spinning top. Any one of these candlestick confirmation, we want to see them before we can be selling. So guys, in case you missed that video, please check on the channel. I labeled part 1 and part 2. So this is going to be our final video for today. Today we're going to be discussing about when the trend have changed, where to put our stop loss, and how to take a profit. Then how to calculate our stop loss level. This is what we're going to be discussing in this video today. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe more. This video is going to be helpful, especially if you are beginners in the forex trading market, and also it's going to be helpful for you as well, for you the professional trader. So guys, let's go back to the video. Remember in our last video, we saw the market in the downtrend is making lower highs and lower lows. So now, are we seeing the downtrend? Yes, because our previous high have not yet got broken. So the market keep on consolidating, coming back to the downside, keep on moving down. So that here is our support, here is our resistance, here was our previous support, previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance, the downtrend. Market move again to the downside, keep on going down, coming up. Our new support, our new resistance, our new support, our new resistance. We get another move again to the upside, get the pullback down. Our new support, our new resistance, and then we get another pullback, another move. Here's going to be our new resistance, our new support. So now, something have happened here. So this is where we know that the trend have changed. We don't want to be selling anymore in this market, because why? The market are breaking below, above our previous support. So we don't want to be selling anymore. So now, in this situation, we know that the trend have changed. So now there is only two areas. I want to be looking at this previous low and this previous high. So once the trend have changed, this is what we want to be looking to buy. So we are waiting for the market to come into this our zone and wait for our confirmation before we can buy. We don't just want to be buying because the trend have changed. No, we need something that will tell us. We need our hammer, we need our doji. This is an example for a downtrend. The market have changed from a downtrend to uptrend. So once we get the confirmation, then we can be looking to buy. So you're going to be our new support. You're going to be our new resistance. So once we get another move to the downside, so now that we are still in the uptrend, because while our previous level have not yet got broken, then boom, I'm looking to buy again. So you're going to be our new support. You're going to be our new resistance. So guys, this is how to know when the trend have changed. In the downtrend, so I'm going to remove all the joy. I'm going to take example for the market in the uptrend. So let's see how it works. It's just the same, something like those that be opposite, because the market in the downtrend is making lower highs and lower lows. When the market is in the uptrend, is making higher highs and higher lows. Let's take a few example. We're going to move to the upside, our new support, our new resistance. So guys, we are looking to buy into this our zone. So then when the market comes to this our zone, we wait for our confirmation, our hammer, our doji before we can buy. Without this confirmation, we don't want to be doing anything, because it was making us to buy. It would give us the confidence in our trading. We got another pullback. We got another move to the upside. You're going to be our new support. You're going to be our new resistance. We got another move, another pullback, our new support, our new resistance, another move, another pullback, our new support, our new resistance, another move, another pullback, our new support, our new resistance. Then we get this move to the upside, to the downside. So guys, are we still in the uptrend? Yes, we are still in the uptrend. Why? Because our support level have not yet got broken. Unless this level is broken before in the downtrend, we're gonna move to the upside. So you're gonna be our new support, our new resistance. We're gonna pull back, we're gonna move to the upside. So you're gonna be our new support, our new resistance. So guys, are we still in the uptrend? No, the trend have changed. So this how to know that the trend have changed. Why the trend have changed? Because the market are breaking below our previous support. Okay, so here you're gonna be our new lower highs, and then these are the two areas we're looking for selling this market. We are waiting for the market to come into this our zone, and then give our confirmation. We want to see our shooting star. We want to see our bearish engulfing. Any one of these candlesticks wants to see them, should be looking to sell. They're gonna be our new support. They're gonna be our new resistance. We get another pullback into this our zone, another move to the downside, our new support, our new resistance. So guys, this is how to spot when the trend have changed. This is how to know the trend have changed in the market. So now let's go to the part 2 of this video, where to put our stop loss. You know, this is one thing that is very, 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 very important. We're talking about trend. We are talking about where to be buying, where to be selling. So now when we are buying, where to be selling, and then where to be buying, how to protect ourselves in the market. So now, here is our support, here is our resistance. So before we want to put the stop loss, we need to first calculate our risk per trade. Okay, guys. So now, let's say we have a $1,000 account. Okay, bear with me, my zeros. We have a $1,000 account. You know, in trading, we don't want to risk more than 2%. We don't want to risk more than 2% of our account size. Okay, so now 2% of $1,000. Let's see what it's gonna be. So now, maybe you might be thinking you need a calculator to be checking how much. No. So if you want to calculate, you come to this website called My FX Book. This is a trading platform where you can check your economic calendar. I'm gonna make a special video how to use it. But in this video, we're gonna come to our home page. You see what it says, Forex calculator. You come back to the home page for a calculator, and then you see position size. This is the position size calculator. Have you seen it here? We click on it, and then we'll get all the symbol. So now this is an ads. You just click on continue. So now the currency pair is which pair you are trading. So now, which pair are we? We are on the Euro Japanese yen. So we have to put it there. Euro Japanese yen. So let's see if we can find Euro Japanese yen. Yes. So now, which account currency? You might be trading USD, you might be trading euros, you might be trading GBP. So depending which account currency you have, where country you are. So let's use the USD, for example. And then your account size, how much you have in your account. So our example is $1,000. Remember, we only want to risk 2%. Then our stop loss. So now, this is where we need to come to see how many stop loss, how much stop loss level. So now let's assume that from this move to this move here, our stop loss was 20 pips. Okay, I'm gonna make a special video of how to calculate the stop loss. Our stop loss was 20 pips. So now we're gonna put here 20 pips stop loss. Okay, so then we click on calculate. So now from our $1,000, we are only risking $20. Okay, so as you can see, we have the unit, then we have the sizing with the 0.12 lot size. So now we go back to our chart, and then let's make an example here. We are buying. So if you are using trading view, it's very easy because you can see where this is stop loss. You can move it there, just put 20 pips as our example says. Then you remember, if I risking 20 pips, you want to make times 2 or times 3 depending on your risk. So we are risking 20 to make 40. Okay, so now as you can see, we have our stop loss, our take profit, and then now 0.12, which is our lot size. We're going to put it there. Yeah, so that we click on buy. So once we click on buy, automatically our trade going to trigger. So these were the example in the in the uptrend. So now we don't want to put our stop loss very close. You see where I put the stop loss in the example. So this is what I'm trying to show you. We don't want our stop loss to be very, very, very close, like for example, right under our support level. No, we want to give space. Our stop loss needs to be below our previous high in the uptrend. So same thing in the downtrend. Our stop loss don't need to be right very close to it. No, we need to give you some breathing space. Okay, so in the downtrend, our support, our resistance, this is where our stop loss is supposed to be. We don't want to put it very close here because this market can come and stop it out and then start to move to the downside. I've said it so many times, so we don't want to be in that situation. So we want to give it more breathing space where the market can play out. So if we are selling, our stop loss needs to be at least 20 pips above our previous high. So then once we get a pullback, then we can be looking to sell. So we know that whatever thing that will go above this market, we know that we are no longer in a downtrend, we are now in an uptrend. So these are the two areas we're looking to. We get a pullback here and then we start buying to the upside. So remember, before we want to be buying, before we want to be selling, we want to see our confirmation. We want to see something that's going to tell us where to buy and then where to sell. So let's take some few examples on the chart. Let's see how it plays out. So as you can see, we're in the uptrend. We get this pullback. We get this move to the upside. We get another pullback. So now, in this situation, when we are buying, we don't want to put our stop loss right below here. We want to put our stop loss below to give it more breathing space. So you see where the market pull back and then start to move up. We got this pull down. So as you can see, your stop loss is still below here. It's still giving a breathing space. Okay, then we get another move to the upside. So here was our new resistance level. Okay, so our stop loss need to come below here. Then we get our pullback. Then our move to the upside. Our new support, our new resistance. So our stop loss need to come below here. We got another pullback. We got another move to the upside. Our new support, our new resistance. So our stop loss need to come below here. So guys, remember we're talking about noise in the market. So as you can see what is happening here. We are still in an uptrend. We are still in the uptrend. Is a live market. What is happening now? As you can see, we get this noise consolidating from here, consolidating from here. We are still in the uptrend. Why? Because our support level have not yet got broken, unless this level is broken before in a downtrend. So these are the noise we're talking about. You can see, you can get more of these, and then we can another move to the upside. So I hope this video makes sense to you. And then I hope you enjoy it. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm going to be posting more video, weekly analysis about next week, which pairs I'm going to be looking at. I'm going to also be posting some few videos about risk management in details, how to put the stops and targets. I'm going to be explaining more of that. Just let me end this series. I will stop here today. So if you are new to Forex trading, if you are interested in learning how to trade in the Forex market, you please let me know. I'm going to take you through. I'm going to link my Facebook link to this channel. I'm going to link my email to this channel. So if you want to contact me for classes, I'm going to keep you through in your trading. Thank you so much.